Morning, viewers. This is Mark the Do Something Guy. Today I'm headed ice fishing finally for the first time this year. And we're finally getting on the ice. It's kind of crazy. It's almost the first of the year. There's hardly any snow, hardly any ice, but hey, there's enough. We've got about 6 or 8 inches on this lake, and we're going to go out and catch some trout. We'll see you on the ice. And we got a decent little walk out to where we're going to fish.
Did you bring a worm?
Let's do a little introduction to the crew. We got Henry right here. Henry. Got Edwin here.
Hi.
Who's hiding in here? We got Uncle Ben. I've got a special guest here. This is my cousin Jay.
What's going on, guys?
And his boys. This is Kason. And Owen. Then over here, we got infamous, one and only Grandpa Weeks, old man.
Uncle Mark remembers the days Mark and I are going through right now. Brand snotty little kids running around while you're doing everything.
So here in Idaho, we can all have 5 rods apiece. We have enough rods, I think, to do it, but probably not enough patience to deal with that many little kids. We've got everything from just plain dead stick here to quite a few jaw jackers out, and even a tip up right there. Absolute ton of rods. Got some kids in the ice hut. They're staying warm. So far, that's been the hot hole. 2 fish out of that one. And that jaw jacker there just went off and spit it at the hole. The flags are flying, man. All right, Jay just got another one over there. Already back down the hole. That's low. Jawjacker popped there, right there. All right, Tayson just had a hit. See if we can get him to come back. We were a little slow getting to the hole, but well, the jawjackers are popping, but the fish are hitting so stinking light that they're not getting the hook. So, oh well. That's why they call it fishing instead of catching.
Coming for you guys.
We pushed a little shallower here. The fish were only a few hitting. They're really soft hits. So we pushed shallow, and we'll see if we can get something in here a little closer.
Dad?
Hey, Henry, go get that one.
Go get that one, Henry. Get it, Henry. Get it, Henry. Get it. Get that fish. Pick it up. Oh, he got off on you. Darn it. Oh, Henry, he was close. All right, let's get a new mealworm on there. Get it back down. These stinking little trout, man. They're a bunch of thieves.
They are.
Cannot believe how light bite they are today. Took forever, but I finally got one. Hold him up far so he looks real big. Little hatcheries. Man down. Man down.
Hey, put it back in the hole head first.
Henry, let's see that fish you got, Henry. Hey, there you go, bud. Got a little bit of fog starting to kick up on there on the end. Fog is rolling in. What do you think, guys? Did you have fun?
Yeah! It was real
Yeah?
fun.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah.
Here, we got it.
All right, friends. Well, thanks for coming on that. That was a lot of fun. Fishing wasn't overly great, but we had a good time, and it's exciting to finally be on the ice. And looking forward to a season full of it. So we'll see you on the next one. Bye.